So this monitor arm was in my wishlist since more than a year and I finally got it. The arms are heavy, and since I will be only using one monitor, we'll have to unscrew one of the arm. Friend suggested just get the dual one. Kinda impressed that they provided Allen keys for the fitting, but I'll use mine. This is how my current setup looks, and now it's time to deassemble the PC, and will also be shifting my case to the other table. So the idea is to keep only the monitor, the keyboard and the mouse on the desk. This is how the back of my monitor looks like. By the way, that's my RGB strip somehow taped on the back of it. That gives me nice backglow in my reels. I quickly remove the dust and unmount the screen panel from the big fat stand. That's the mount that came in the box. I was afraid I might accidentally puncture my screen with the screwdriver. Thankfully it worked out after a few tries. Time to install the mount we got, and I forgot the washers to install. I'm glad that the main base has 3 step options to set it, depending on the thickness of your table. This is to connect the main rod with the base, and here I did a small mistake I'll mention later. This fit is just perfect for my table. I just needed to tighten the clamps a bit in the end. Now that's the small mistake I was talking about. The hollow part was supposed to be a way for the wires to come out. This is how the back of the screen looks like and how the wires go through the rod. And this is the almost fine look of the setup. We still got few wires to plug in.